Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about glasses. You don't have to spend a lot of money on glass cleaner products such as glasses wipes, sprays, solutions or other. You can make your own glasses cleaner at home. All you need is an empty little spray bottle, rubbing alcohol, water and dish soap. Fill the little spray bottle 3/4 with rubbing alcohol, add a quarter of water and add a drop of dish soap. Any will do, it doesn't have to be a certain brand. This is an amazing way to save money on all of those costly glasses cleaners. The best thing is that it's most likely you already have in your home all you need, so you don't have to buy anything. Then roll the bottle gently in your hands. This way everything will mix in there, but without creating suds. If you will shake it, it will create bubbles because of the dish soap, and we don't want that. These ingredients will clean and sanitize your glasses in no time. You can use it on your glasses, sunglasses, and even on your phone's screen. I have to say that since I made this solution, I stopped buying eyeglass wipes. Spray your glasses on either side of the lens with this spray and wipe them with a flat microfiber cloth. Usually the glasses come with a cleaning cloth for them, and that will be perfect. It works amazingly on glasses and sunglasses too. Here I show you the perfect cleanliness of the lenses. I absolutely love the end result, and I will always use this solution because it works like magic and it costs almost zero. I can't believe how much money I spent all my life for glasses cleaning products. Look at that shine! Absolutely perfect! No words needed. I will show you how it works on my sunglasses too. I hope this video inspired you to make this glasses cleaning solution that is so cheap, easy to make in no time and lasts a long time. On my channel I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening and laundry hacks. I hope you will stick around. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!